We came here to have some wine, cheese, salame. This is a place called Mota in the hills, where a lot of people come to eat, drink, and, you know, have an aperitivo. Aperitivo is like before dinner, drinks and food. Usually just drinks. I'm drinking verduzzo and we're here drinking wine, and the one that I like to drink, which is more readily available in bars around here or in agriturismos or different places, is the verduzzo, which is a sweet white wine. I prefer white wine in general unless I'm eating meat, then I prefer red wine. They are drinking the red wine. Forse, non lo so.
Un pezzo di gatto. Può essere un pezzo di gatto. Bene, 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 sono contento. Ottimo.
I am so tired today and I don't know why. And I don't know why. I really shouldn't say I'm not very good at it. Just drink some wine because I'm in the wine store. And there isn't that much to do on Sundays. So we usually go out. What's interesting about this place is you get a lot of cyclists. Enrico saying cheers. This is something that I think his aunt bought for him. He wears all the time. My mother bought this ring for him. He wears all the time. This, Ada, your mother, bought this for him. He wears this all the time. This is our wedding ring, which he wears all the time. He's very sentimental and sweet. So I'm an English teacher, and I had a lesson with a student today, and she gave me a birthday present, and, you know, a late birthday present, but I actually really like this brand. L'Herbolario is an Italian natural skincare and cosmetic brand. And I just know that I love their primer. They have a primer for dry skin, which is really nice. I'm going to see what she got me. She got me, it says, it's a bagno schiuma. So it's a shower wash, body wash. Tè bianco means white tea. Okay, it smells like a flowery green tea, or like a flowery tea, but it definitely smells like tea. So it's tè bianco. This is the typical canna di zucchero, or sugar, brown sugar, that you can buy in the supermarket. This is the Carrefour brand, and this is the kind of brown sugar that I'm used to eating, that I used to buy in Canada and different places. And look at this color, and when you touch it, it's like squishable. It seems like it's moist, or like more like a doughy consistency. And the typical ones are a lot lighter and dry, and they don't have much flavor. Like this has flavor and tastes like what I'm used to brown sugar tasting like, and this doesn't. I want to keep the box. I wonder if I can, what can I do with it? What else can I put in it? Maybe I can like cut it up to here and use it as like a, or maybe cut it up to here and use it as a flower container or something. Or make pot puree and put it in. Or just put pencils and random stuff inside. Watching Willy Wonka. Freyja. It's in Italian. La 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 la. Freyja. Oh no, not on the table. Freyja loves this thing, and look, she really went to town on it.
finale, forse un po' eccessivo, ma poi il finale. Wow!
Lei chi è?
Bit by bit, she just keeps eating.
Wonka.
Davvero?
Willy Wonka.
Perché non è là sopra allora?
Non potevo certo godermi lo spettacolo da sopra, no, ragazzi? Signor Wonka, io non so se
Okay, ciao.
ricomincia la scuola alla grande con una compagnia speciale. Bellissima